7 drinks that prevent joint and muscle pain. Antioxidants contribute to the preservation of cells from damage that can be caused by free radicals. So the body's need for antioxidants is important. And there are many drinks that contain antioxidants that help reduce joint and muscle pain, according to YO News. Turmeric milk. It contributes to the prevention of arthritis thanks to its content of the curcumin complex. It is high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, making it an ideal choice for arthritis treatment. Pineapple juice. Pineapple includes bromelain, an enzyme that reduces anti-inflammatory effects. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is filled with compounds that reduce inflammation and improve joint health. Green tea. Green tea is high in anti-inflammatory compounds, making it a great choice for reducing joint pain and inflammation. Lemon water. Lemon as a natural detoxifier can help reduce inflammation in the body. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is high in antioxidants, which can have anti-inflammatory effects. Check the link in my bio to get access to the most powerful prevent joint pain. Don't forget to subscribe to our useful channel to continue.